A healthy life or a healthy health based on 3 categories, such as physical health, mental health, as well as social well-being. In this extent, what have you taken on board for the day? Because it really counts in your daily life. So in this particular video, I just want you to join me for us to discuss these 3 key themes together. And at the results, I know it's going to be beneficial for you. Join us and let's discuss this further for achievable results. Thank you and God bless you. My lovely people, how are you all doing? I believe you're well. I welcome you all to 56 Global Network, where we always empower for appropriate change. Beloved, how are you once again? I love everybody, especially you. My name is Lady Dr. IreneB. Whenever I come on your way, that means I have something useful to discuss with you. Before we get started, we always recap a bit concerning our last episode. I've been said that at 56, our ultimate goals is appropriate change, and whenever I come around, I test your pulse and also ask you to reflect on whatsoever that we've already discussed. So please kindly recall on our last episode and then also reflect on it and let me know your take home, because it's my number one priority. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Our mission and our vision is to empower people in an appropriate manner. So whenever you see us online, kindly adopt to the videos, watch to the end, like, comment, and also share to your walls. And I believe that someone will also benefit from it. Thank you and God bless you. Right, moving on. In this particular video, we're going to treat something concerning holistic hour. Like I said, at 56, we have 3 categories of series, which is IreneB, reflection, as well as holistic. It's been a while that we deliver holistic. Do you know something concerning holistic approach? It means a lot in our daily lives. There are so many factors that will enable someone to treat somebody holistically. And so whenever we come around, we treat any of the episode. The last time episode was IreneB, the guy who was still in the custody, and the higher hierarchy who were involving themselves in the crime. Now they are in court, and I think the investigation is still ongoing. So we end there and then we come back to holistic. And so this particular video, we are going to treat holistic, a whole person that we are delivering. If you want to treat something concerning a whole person, it's either in our beliefs, in our culture, our appearance, our stress states, our emotional state, our mental health state, all this kind of aspects come together to form holistic approach. And so if we are taking one after the other, what is health? Health is mainly in 3 categories, such as physical, mental, as well as social well-being. These are the 3 categories of health. Having said that, you cannot overcome illness without your socialization. Some people will always depend on medication. On the other hand, others will also depend on other various activities to overcome illness. And so if you weigh the pros and cons, what are you intend to take it on board for the day? Because you have to take something on board to overcome something. So talking about your health state, if you want to overcome illness, 1, physical health, 2, your mental health state, 3, social well-being. So in these 3 categories, which of them have you taken on board for the day? That is why we are here. So before we end up with this episode, I want you to take something on board to be able to overcome illness. Overcoming, we're talking about. How are you going to overcome illness? You know, it's a daily routine. Daily, somebody will be going to the hospital. However, On the other hand, some people will also not visit the hospital for the whole year. And do you know the secret? We are going to dive into it for you to be able to treat yourself accurately, even at home. Self-treatment. If you are able to treat yourself well at home, you will never visit hospital. It's not like you are not going to be sick though. However, you want to minimize visiting hospital frequent. That is what we are talking about. So let's take physical aspects. What can you do to overcome illness for the day physically? When you wake up in the morning, what do? When we talk about our physical well-being, what do we mean? Also, mental health, what do we mean? As well as your social well-being. What can you do for your body to be functioning properly? 1. Physical activity. What are some of the physical activity that you'll be able to do for your body to function properly? 1. Exercise. Do more exercise. Also, ability to perform your daily tasks. How are you going to perform your daily tasks if you are not fit enough? That is what I pre-point in the initial stage. More activity will enable you to perform your daily tasks. 2. Mental health. Ability to control your emotions. Ability to control your emotions, as well as ability to control your stress states. In life, we have so many things to think about. Most importantly, if you are a mother, there are so many tasks for you to complete for the day. And so if you don't have the ability to minimize your stress state, how are you going to overcome? Or how are you going to achieve? There won't be any chance. So taking all these key things on board, ability to overcome your emotional states is one of the major factors. Are you able to control your emotions? Like I said, emotional intelligence is ability to manage or use your own emotions in a accurate manner. So when you wake up in the morning, check your mood. Sometimes you don't feel as even greeting somebody. What are the factors that influence emotions? 1. Poverty. Poverty will influence your emotions whether you like it or not. So in this extent, what are you going to do? Poverty is a disease that you have to, strengthen yourself to overcome it. Like I said, whenever we deliver episode, we link up with one of our components, which is competency, courage, communication, compassion, as well as commitment. So if someone is going through hardship, like you are broke, you don't know what to do for the day, will you be able to control your emotions? It's a no. So overcoming poverty will enable someone to achieve a great result in regards to controlling your emotions. Please try this and see the result, because we are talking about our health and accurate health. We're talking about so things that will enable you to overcome your health state is what we are pre-pointing. So please, let's try this and see the results. As well as your social well-being. What do we mean about social well-being? Social well-being refers as individual attracting others effectively. Also build and maintain relationship with others effectively. Like I said in my previous video, whenever you feel like you are going down, please have a little chat with friends and families. Associate yourself with a professional network, because such people will encourage you to be on track, rather to be in your little corner and then also torturing yourself emotionally, which isn't accurate. So social well-being is one of the key factors that we have to take it on board in terms of overcoming your health states. If only you want to live a healthy life as well as longevity, then we have to ensure that we take our social well-being very serious, because in our daily lives, it really counts. Okay, it's one of the major factors. It minimizes our stress state, it minimizes our poverty state, it minimizes our mental health state as well as our physical health state. Please try this and see the results, because overcoming your health states will never happen overnight. Rather, you have to work on it. So now that we are delivering, it's a workout. We are working on it. So kindly take it on board. And I believe that at the results, we are all going to sing hallelujah to the glory of the Lord. Thank you ever so much for watching. And I will see you in another video. Lady Dr. IreneB. God bless you. Mwah.